In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Tucson key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2019 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing your battery can be done at home. It's very simple. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these online, I will leave a link in the description to get one on Amazon. They're just a couple bucks and they'll come right to your door. Then you can follow along and have a new battery in here in no time. First step, press this button on the bottom of the key fob to remove your internal key. Now we can see this hole that the key just came from, and to the side of it, just a slot. We're going to insert a flathead screwdriver into this slot and twist to open the key fob. So position it in there until you feel it sort of lock in place, and then you can just twist, and with a little force you will start to separate the two halves of the key fob. I'm going to put my flathead screwdriver in that little opening and work my way down, twisting until I can easily separate the two halves with my fingers. Put that to the side for now. Now in here, there is the battery in this little plastic housing, and you can't really take it out with your fingers. If you have a smaller screwdriver, you can probably pry it out. I'm going to use a precision screwdriver like this. You can get a pack of these on Amazon. They're just a couple bucks, so I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to get some of those. Otherwise, you can use a toothpick, maybe pen or pencil if you're careful, but this is gonna help us to get it out safely without scratching it. I'm going to come to the top right here, and there's this little opening in the plastic. I'm going to put my tool all the way down to the bottom, try to get under the battery and kind of wiggle and pry, and the battery just pops out. Go ahead and get a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure this positive side with the battery information goes down, and position it into the housing here, kind of pushing it down first into this metal component before clicking the top into place. Position it, push on the top or in the center of the battery, and it will click right in where it needs to be. Make sure this circuit board and the little rubber thing, if it comes out like this part just goes down here. Just gently position it, and then you can put your battery on top and just click everything back together, and your light will come on if your battery has juice and you did everything correctly. You can just throw your battery, your internal key back in, and you're done. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Tucson. Thank you so much for watching.